Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel RE World, powered by Team RE. Today I'm going to give you a very quick tip that how a difference can be taken between two dates or how you can check the aging in real time. For example, if you want to check your own age in a real time from date of birth as of now. Same if in your professional life, if you are preparing some kind of trackers where you need to check the aging, where you need to check, okay, if you are making one action tracker and you want to see that, okay, as of now how many days has been passed since that action was opened. The same way, if you are making a profile, a database where you want to see the ages of your customers or aging of your patients or aging of your any data which you add there. So there will be a real time that whenever we see the file, whenever we open the file, what is the age as of that time. So whether age is of a person or age of an action item or age of, or the difference between two dates. Okay, so let me make it a bigger. Okay, I just want to clarify here, today I'm recording this video in Microsoft Office Mac version, not on Microsoft Office on a Windows version. So there is no difference. The function will work same in the both, but you might see a little bit change in the layout of the screen. Okay, I'm going to, so since I'm using a MacBook, I have a bit different settings here. When I was recording from my Microsoft Windows machine, the date function I was using there, month, date, year. So here the settings are a bit different. I'm going to put date, month and year. So I'll put the date here, first, you know, 1st Jan. Let me change it in a full format cell. I'll go to the account numbers, sorry, general, date, and I'll select it. So 1st January 2020. Okay, the moment I'm recording this video, it is 29th of October 2020. So what is the difference between these two dates? So simple, same formula, subtract. So end date minus start date. So 302 days has been passed so far in 2020. Okay. Secondly, this is the fixed one. If you will open this workbook tomorrow, if you will open this workbook tomorrow, you will find the same difference unless you will not change the date to 30th October, right? Okay, the question is how we can see it real time. Real time means whenever I open the workbook, whenever I recalculate the workbook, or whenever I refresh the data, what is the time till that time? What is the day? How many days till that time? So I'll put here as a start date, end date, sorry, and I can see it age, right? Okay. So I want to see in a real time. I'll simply copy this in order to make it quick. So we have one formula in Excel where we can see what is the time and date right now is equal to now, bracket start, bracket close, and it will give you the exact date and time as of now. Right now it's 29th October 2020 and 10:57 PM, right? So after a minute, when it will be changed, this 57 will become 58. So instead of putting the date here, I'll put this formula here. Now, bracket start and bracket close, and enter. Now, if you see here, it says 303, but if you see here, it's 302.95 because here it is giving us the absolute value. But here it will keep changing. After every minute, this value will change, but we don't need to go to such a number of decimal. We'll simply remove it, and it's a 303. Let's say it was 1st November 2019. Okay, so as of now 364 days has been passed. So here you can see that I have added the last date or end date here with the formula. But when you are tracking in a formal tracker, you may keep the end date always empty. Okay, you will only add the end date when that action is really closing in that way. But if you are calculating the ages or all this thing, for sure you just add either the end date or the current date. It not always be the end date, it can be a current date. So like this I have added here this value minus this value. Rather than this, I can also add it in a type of formula. For example, I have first date here, but I don't have a last date, so I only want it like equal to now brackets. You don't need to add anything between the brackets and this date, and just change the format of this into numbers. You see, you are not dependent to add an end date in other cell. You can add this in the formula. Now minus B7. Now minus the first date is 303. Let's make it first 2019 668. You can put let's take another way. You can put date of birth here, and as of today you can count the days, right? Or month. This divided by 30. Control C, Control V, and Control V, and finish these decimals. So now these are months. So you can calculate age in days, months, years, whatever you want. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video, give your feedback in comment section and share with your friends.